Hey guys, to make this crunchy lemon chicken, first you'll need to prepare your breading. We have panko breadcrumbs, crushed pretzels. I know that sounds a little weird, but it's going to add extra crunch and more salt. Then Italian seasoning and garlic powder. To get the full measurements, you can look right down below in the description box and just mix everything together with a fork. This is the really important part where we're going to impart a lot of flavor into the chicken. I have plain Greek yogurt, and to that I'm adding in some honey mustard, honey for a little bit of extra sweetness. The honey mustard is very sharp, a little bit spicy, and then my secret, super duper secret ingredient, favorite thing that I've found recently is from New York Shuck. It's a preserved lemon paste. If you like lemons, a teaspoon of this is like adding 10 lemons to your dish. It's so concentrated, incredibly flavorful. I love it in this yogurt base. It makes an amazing marinade. It's also good on pasta or mixed into mayonnaise, and then you smear that on a sandwich or a baguette. Really, really delicious topping and a condiment that I've gone through very quickly. If you don't have that or you can't find it, you can just use lemon juice and lemon zest, but it's not going to give you the same concentrated flavor. I have some boneless, skinless chicken seasoned with salt and fresh cracked pepper. Just dip that into the lemon yogurt base and press gently into the panko pretzel mixture. Place onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Parchment paper, one of the #1 kitchen essentials. It just makes the cleanup so much easier, so you're not scrubbing your pan for hours and hours and nothing's going to stick to it. This is a great alternative to fried chicken. It's going to bake up really crunchy, and that bold pop of lemon from that lemon curd paste is just such a unique, delicious flavor. I like to serve this with some honey mustard, or you can make a quick little like mayo aioli, do some mayo, garlic, more of the lemon, and serve it with a nice little side salad. A little bit of cucumber, and you're good to go. Hope you guys have a delicious day. To get the full recipe details, you can look right down below in the description box.